Self-destruct sequence activated.
3, 2, 1.
Solar Space Weather Update, March 15th, 2012. After I got about 3 hours of sleep and staying up in anticipation of the arrival of the M8 that was to hit at about 2:20 Eastern Standard, 6:20 UTC. I'm still a bit puzzled and still researching the reasons for that magnetopause flip that we seem to have back on the 12th. And I found I'm finding three graphs and data sets that line up that I'll show you right here. This is where my pointer's at. That's March 11th, March 13th. 12th is dead center right there. That happened. The event with the magnetopause happened at about 16:30 UTC, and that's where we have this spike right here. Now let's look at that on the this is the interplanetary magnetic field. So this does coincide with that reversal, if you want to call it, for lack of a better word. I'm going to go back and look at this date. It was back on the 8th, because I had even a higher spike in the interplanetary magnetic field. I'm going to see if I can find any images that show the same type of reversal. And you can see the timelines line up again on this graph right here. Again, where my mouse at would be the 12th. Right there would be about 16:30, 1700 UTC. You got the same spike. I also woke up to this while I was asleep. We had a M1 flare. This data is a little bit new, so I'm not exactly sure which sunspot this came off of. I'm thinking it's probably what's left of 1429. Let's hope it's not from 1432 or 33. We've been getting hit hard enough. We don't really need another. Magnometer is showing a possible arrival at about, let's see, 2, 4, 6, about 7 UTC, 0700 UTC. I'm starting to see a rise there. You can see the rise again here, same time. You can also see it on the ACE data. This shows it a lot more clearly. So it looks like the expected flare for the morning of the 15th is starting to ramp up now. Unfortunately, our real-time magnetosphere data has been down, so we cannot take a look at the magnetosphere compression at the moment. But looking at space weather, solar wind is up to 538 kilometers a second. Proton density is still low, but I expect that to rise. And for now, we're using this alternative site for live magnetospheric real-time data. Do a quick refresh. Doesn't look like we're getting hit too very bad at the moment, but Looks like the storm has arrived, guys, and over the next few hours we'll be watching this. Everybody take care. Be safe.